Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Sisir Pandey and I am from Nepal. In this video, I am excited to share with you my first project on predicting house price in Bangalore using data analysis and machine learning models. As someone who is passionate about real estate and data science, I have been working on this project for some time and I am eager to showcase my findings. Whether you are a homeowner, buyer, or simply interested in the intersection of real estate and technology, I hope you find this video information and engaging. So, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Bangalore house price predictions. At the first, I want to show you the location of the dataset from where I got those. Firstly, here here in the Kaggle website, just search for the Bangalore house price data, and you got this data uh, by this author, and this data generally contains 9 columns. Among them are area type, availability, and location, size as well. And we need to predict the price based on those features. If you want to know about the data set and the features, here is the description about the file. um, Actually, these datasets it's belongs from the one of the state of India, which is Bangalore, and in this dataset, the author collected the data like area type, availability, location, size, and many more. Among these data sets, we need to price the predict based on those. The data set contains different data types as well as missing values. We need to compute all of them. So, uh, without doing ado, let's get started. First, um, I already downloaded the dataset. You can, if you are willing, if you have willingness to downloads, you can simply download from here. Uh, and I am just going to start Jupyter Notebook. If you are not aware about the Anaconda and how to launch Jupyter Notebook, you can simply search in browser. There are so many threads uh, for this, and here is the homepage of Jupyter Notebook, and I already have created a machine learning project folder in which a dataset folder. Uh, Here is the dataset Bangalore house data.csv, in which we are going to work. Just simply uh, go here, new, click here, and start a new notebook. And this is a Python 3 IPY kernel. And just by clicking uh, the Jupyter notebook, render a new blank notebook where we can perform the operation. Just rename this with Bangalore price prediction prediction model. Yes, I am seeing most of the tutorials in the YouTube, generally showing that the only process, but they are not talking about the what are the basic, what are the initiation for this project. And after seeing this, I'm going to start project on the Bangalore price prediction models. Generally, what we do first, let's import uh, pandas in NumPy. Let's import pandas as PD and import NumPy as NP. Let's run them. Now we need to find the location of the data frame to read this. So I am going to store the data frame location in path. You can generally here is the data frame Bangalore house data.csv. Using pd dot read csv, we can read the csv after passing the argument path. Let's run it, and here is the data. The data frame contains area type, availability, location, size, society, total square feet, bathroom, balcony, and price. This is the this is what we need to predict on new data. Okay, so let me first check info by simply typing data.info. Oh, sorry, I need to store this in the data variable, and we got the description about the data. In data, we see that there are the total nine columns, and 13,320 rows, and um, area type, availability, location, size, society, and total square feet. D type was object. There might be something anomalies and problem with size and total square feet. It might be need in the numeric data type, but this is in object data type. So we will address it later. And the bath, balcony, and price has float 64 types. Okay, the total data types are object are 6, and float 64 are 3. So um, first thing we need to do is data dot describe. Data dot describes, it gives the statistic description about the dataset, count the values, mean, standard deviation, minimum, maximum, 25%, 50%, and 75% of the data. So the description only be available for the numeric data set. Okay, and this is not available for the object type of data. So it seems like the minimum for balcony is 0 and the maximum is 3. Okay, now uh, let's get started. And we need to first check for the missing values. uh, let's check if the data frame contains any missing values or not. Any. It seems like location, size, society, bath and balcony contains the boolean value is true. This means that these columns containing the missing values. So we need to address them. It shows that the data frame contains the multiple null values. The okay, let me check how many data is missing. By using the sum function, we can count the values, uh, count the missing values. Here the location only contains the one missing values, and society contains the higher missing values. Size, society, bath, and balcony contains the respective missing values. Okay, so we need to firstly we need to follow the approach of handling the missing values. So I'm not going to make videos longer. So I break down this playlist in multiple videos. So we will be address those missing values in the next session. This much for this session. Okay, thank you. See you in the next session.